In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Hostinger platform to find the ideal hosting package for your needs. If you're new to hosting or looking to upgrade, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, we'll start by heading over to the Hostinger homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in hpanel.hostinger.com. This will bring you to the dashboard where you can manage your Hostinger account. Once you're there, look towards the menu options and find the one labeled Websites. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can view all of your websites that are currently hosted with Hostinger. It's laid out in a very user-friendly manner, allowing you to manage and oversee your existing projects with ease. Now, if you're thinking of getting a new hosting plan, you'll want to click on Get New Hosting Plan. This is perfect if you're aiming to start a new project or upgrade your current plan. Once you select this option, you'll be directed to a page where several hosting plans are available. It's important to assess what each plan offers, as this can significantly impact your site's performance and capabilities. The first option you'll notice is the single web hosting. This is an excellent choice if you're just getting started and have a single website to host. It's budget-friendly and provides the basic essentials needed to run a simple site. Next up is premium web hosting. This plan accommodates users who have more than one website to manage. It also includes additional features not available in the single plan, providing flexibility as your site grows. For those needing more robust capabilities, consider business web hosting. This plan is ideal for businesses that expect higher traffic or require more resources. With this, you get a more powerful and faster hosting environment, which is crucial for maintaining a professional web presence. Further down, you'll find cloud hosting. This is perfect for those who seek high performance and reliability, ideal for rapidly growing sites. Cloud hosting offers more power and less downtime than shared hosting, making it a smart choice if you're aiming for scalability. Finally, there's agency hosting. As the name suggests, this plan is tailored for those operating multiple client sites. It's designed to offer maximum control and resources, making it a great fit for agencies or freelancers managing several projects concurrently. By understanding each plan, you can make an informed decision about which hosting option best suits your current needs and future growth. Take your time to explore these options and consider factors like your site's intended traffic, performance needs, and budget. Once you've decided, you can easily proceed through Hostinger's user-friendly process to purchase and set up your plan. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you choose the best hosting solution.